Welcome to Ferguson Farm, a beautifully restored brick federal home on 83 acres surrounded by sugar maples and stone walls, located near Woodstock village in Vermont. The main house has 4 bedrooms, 6 baths, and a cozy farmhouse kitchen with a fireplace. Enjoy relaxing on the porch, harvesting apples and flowers from the gardens, and exploring extensive trails for riding, skiing, or walking. The barn is perfect for livestock, gatherings, and guests, with a workshop shed for creativity. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.